Hey everyone, and welcome back to another PS Vita video guide. Today we're tackling a highly requested topic, and that is upgrading your storage device. It's a simple process, but I've received tons of questions about it, and I even asked my community, and this was the most voted topic of the week. So in this guide, I'll show you how to upgrade your PS Vita's storage using the latest YAMP setup, making the process smoother and more efficient. My name is Robles Jr. and I'm passionate about covering homebrew guides here on YouTube. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. I also share news, updates, guides, and unboxings for gaming consoles like the PSP and PS Vita. I also stream weekly where I hang out with my community and host live Q&A sessions covering everything from console mods and homebrew to personal life struggles and beyond. Here is what you'll need: an SD card reader, and obviously your microSD card upgrade. I'll link some great options down below. For storage, I recommend 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes. However, I'll be testing a 1 terabyte card here, and I'll share my results in a future video. And if you go with a 1 terabyte, make sure that you format it to FAT32 with 64 kilobyte cluster size. Before we begin, make sure you have the Vita Deploy app. This is an all-in-one tool that simplifies formatting your SD cards. If you follow the 2024 jailbreaking guide, you likely already have it. If not, I'll provide a VPK link in the comment section down below. We'll also be using YAMPed. It's a plugin that makes managing storage easier. If you're new, YAMPed should already be installed with its own settings under devices if you jailbreak it through the Henlo method. This is where we'll change the main storage location. Let's begin with step 1, and that is preparing your new storage. First, let's change the storage location. Under settings, go to devices, storage devices, and set UXO to default and UMAO to SD2VITA. Power off your Vita. Replace the microSD card by removing your SD2VITA adapter and inserting the new microSD card into the adapter. Let's now format your new storage. Power on your Vita and open Vita Deploy. Navigate to Miscellaneous and select Format a Storage Device. Ensure the target is SD2VITA and the file system is TextFAT. Proceed with formatting. Step 2, let's transfer our files. Copy your UXO folder to the UMA folder. So open up VitaShell and go to UXO and select all files by pressing triangle and marking all. Pressing triangle once again and press copy. Then open up your UMA folder, press triangle and paste. Let's update our storage settings. Go back into settings under devices, storage devices, and set SD2VITA as default and UMAO to another path. Power off and reboot your Vita. Step 3, we're going to transfer the data from our old SD card. Connect your Vita to your PC via USB and insert your old SD card into your PC using an adapter. Next, we're going to check for file errors. Open the command prompt as administrator on your Windows PC. Next, type in chkdsk space the letter of your old SD card device, colon, space, \r, then space, \f. This command basically scans and attempts to fix corrupted sectors on the disk. It also runs to correct file systems and directory issues. If errors are found, allow Windows to fix them. Let's now copy the files to the new SD card. So transfer all the files from the old SD card to your PS Vita. This may take several hours depending on file size. I skipped my ROMs folder due to the inconsistencies and restructured it separately. Step 4, let's finalize this setup. Once you're finished copying over all your files, go back to your PS Vita and we're going to refresh your Vita's UI. In VitaShell, press triangle and select Refresh Live Area. This will restore missing app bubbles and scan all of your folders. This may take some time depending on how many files you have installed or how many games you have installed. Press triangle again and choose Refresh License Database to fix PKGJ and game license issues. Let's verify your storage. Go to Settings. Under System Information to confirm everything transferred correctly. Check properties on your PC as well through Vita Shell. Through Vita Shell and USB connection to ensure your total and used storage match expectations. And the final step, if applicable, is restoring our custom themes. Open Custom Themes Manager, select Install Custom Theme from local folder, press Start to install all themes at once. I had over 300 themes with no issues. And that's it, you've successfully upgraded your PS Vita storage, giving you more space for games, apps, and homebrew. Let me know in the comment section if this guide helped you, and feel free to share your experience. Also, subscribe for more PS Vita content. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and happy gaming.